Have you seen the ads claiming that Glyco Reset Drops can naturally lower blood sugar, reverse insulin resistance, increase energy, speed up metabolism, and even help you lose weight without changing your lifestyle? If those promises sound almost too good to be true, you're not alone. After carefully examining the available information, there are several reasons to approach the supplement with caution. While Glyco Reset Drops contains ingredients commonly promoted for general wellness, there is currently no strong independent clinical evidence proving that the product itself can consistently deliver dramatic results advertised. Many of its marketing claims rely on bold promises rather than high-quality scientific research. Another concern is the promotional strategy. Some advertisements appear to feature questionable doctor endorsements, AI-generated visuals, and customer testimonials that are difficult to verify, making it hard to separate genuine user experiences from marketing content. Claims suggesting FDA approval can also be misleading because dietary supplements are not FDA approved in the same way prescription medications are. The product is frequently sold through pages offering massive limited-time discounts, countdown timers, and buy now before it's gone messages, which are common urgency tactics used to encourage impulse purchases. There are also reports that similar formulas are sold under different brand names while using nearly identical marketing scripts, raising additional questions about transparency. Some online promotions even use deepfake-style videos and so-called secret formula stories designed to make the product appear more revolutionary than the available evidence suggests. Customer experiences are mixed as well, with some buyers saying they notice little or no meaningful improvement after using the drops. None of this automatically proves Glyco Reset Drops is a scam, but it does suggest that the marketing may be stronger than the supporting evidence. If you're considering buying it, look beyond the flashy advertisements. Read the ingredient list carefully. Consult a qualified healthcare professional if you have blood sugar concerns. And remember that lasting blood sugar management usually depends on healthy eating, regular exercise, proper medical guidance, and realistic expectations, rather than miracle supplement claims alone.